It's your boy, the Random Gamer, and right now we are setting up a tent so we can do a little 24-hour tent challenge, whatever. So this is how much we got of it.
Bruce, mention me.
What?
Mention me.
Hey, that's not on you. You gotta connect them.
And he's got a new cameraman.
Philip.
Hey.
Hi.
Oh, I'm gonna have a channel coming out next year called Mowing Kid 2263. Check it out.
Yep. All right.
Sammy.
If I can find Bruce. Oh, there he is. Find the Random Gamer. There he is. So, Random Gamer, what are you doing today?
Well, I am working on trying to get this tent up.
Super.
What's up, guys? Mowing Kid here. I'm just with my cousin, the Random Gamer, and
It's super buggy.
Mom and my mom asking where I
As you
am.
can tell, I'm helping
Just
him
tell them I'm inside.
Just follow the fly.
Okay.
Perhaps I'll die.
Wait, what?
I don't know if you can put that on YouTube.
Okay, forget he said that.
Just like this.
Yeah. I'm not sure. Wait, pull it back through. Pull it back through. I think
Look at
the
this
one
thing.
that's supposed to go under.
It's amazing.
Pull it
Bruce,
back through.
Random Gamer.
What?
This is gonna be amazing.
Yeah.
Mower Kid. It's gonna be amazing.
Yes, it will be. Now.
Oh,
Push
I
it
think
through.
we made it taller than a rope.
It is very buggy out here too. But hey, we just deal with it.
When they get it set up, we'll travel to the inside.
Bruce, you got more on your end?
Yeah. No, I don't think so. Why?
There we go.
You got it? Alright.
Try to bend these.
Now let's check out the inside.
We're not done yet.
Full of progress that we made.
Let's check out the inside for the progress. Mower Kid, move.
All of a sudden you hear.
Check it out.
Hello.
Sorry, my fingers are just in the way. I don't know what the camera is on this thing. See, it's amazing.
There we go.
And it's short. Now if I can get out of here. Let's see if we can get out of here now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to set this over here.
Now we
And as you can tell, it's short.
Look at the view.
Careful. Don't break the camera. Don't break the camera. No, don't break the camera. What part of this?
Hashtag too many hashtags.
Hashtag.
Hashtag.
Hashtag. Wait, make sure the zipper here. Okay, we gotta bring this to the back. Right here.
Teamwork. It sometimes works.
It's sometime. No!
What do you do? Just hook it up to this thing down here? The loop?
You guys, this is getting out of hand, so I'm going to try to help. And what is this? No.
We'll check in later.
Let's see if I can find a spot for the camera.
Bruce, I can't reach the other side on my end.
Oh, you can't?
There we go.
You got the other side?
No, dude. Pull.
Alright. Wait, do you know if the camera can see?
Yeah, I just checked.
Sammy,
no.
Sammy,
Sammy,
no.
don't touch.
I
No,
know.
don't touch. Don't touch.
I'm just looking.
There we go.
Yeah, I can see.
We're not too hot and we're not too cold.
How's it looking there?
We're closing him in. We're locking him in. He will never get set free. Oh, no, there he goes.
Oh, nope, there you go.
Hi, people.
You can get yours like that.
Where's the zipper? Oh, there it is.
Oh, you're okay.
Bruce, is this going to be rated PG-13?
Yeah.
So we're going to be fighting and hitting?
Okay, no, not fighting. Okay. Oh, no. Yes and no.
And just for you guys to remember, this is getting set up for the 24-hour tent challenge.
Yep. So,
And
next,
we're gonna be watching some Netflix. We're gonna be
well,
watching.
that's if the Wi-Fi works.
We're gonna be watching some Netflix. We might not record that.
Ah!
We probably won't record
yeah,
that.
that's what it's meant for. That's what these extra ones are
But
meant for.
Sammy, stop rolling around. And yeah, Samuel, stop rolling around. I gotta carry him out. Sammy, will you stop?
Well, yeah, that's because I gave you the other steak. That's not, and it's not a steak as in
And
food.
if any of you guys want to watch this video, we're going to put it out. So anyways, so boom, check it out. Pretty good.
Okay, this isn't perfect, but it'll work. Where's the other pole? Where's that?
Philip's got it.
Philip, what are you doing?
The whole best country.
Actually, that's not a bad idea. It's not what it's originally for, but... Well, I have
Josh,
to...
you're standing in front of the camera. Why did you do that? You're making a video, boy. And here's the finished product.
Now all I need is the stuff we're gonna sleep on.
My sexy.
This is
iPhone.
what we're gonna cook. We're gonna make
my
a.
sexy iPhone 8.
We're gonna Samuel, stop.
Let me stop.
We're going to
Stop.
make a solar oven.
Doing an actual YouTube video.
This area is for a solar oven. And we'll call you guys back for part 2. We might do 3 parts, I don't know. See you guys.